Welcome back guys, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily create a mobile hotspot on your Android device. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to scroll down and go to settings of your device. So I am going to click on this setting icon and it will take me to the settings. So now you need to click on network and internet. Just tap on it, and after that you have an option that has hotspot and tethering. Just click on it, and here this is the Wi-Fi hotspot. Just click on it, and here this is the feature. When you want to turn on the hotspot, just click this on, and here you see hotspot is on. And one more thing that you need to do, you have to turn on your cellular internet connection so that you can share that cellular internet connection to the other person, to other device, on another device. So first of all, there is option that is hotspot name. You can easily change the name of this hotspot. Now right now it is Nokia, so whatever you want to see the Wi-Fi name on the other device, just give it that name here in this area, and then click on OK. And after that, here you see hotspot password. You have to set that password here and let the other person know so that he or she can easily connect to this hotspot. So similarly, if you want to disable this hotspot, so it's really simple. You just have to scroll down again and then go to settings, and after that again go to network and internet, then go to hotspot and tethering, and here you will see that this is enabled. You have to just disable it, and here you see hotspot is now deactivated. So on the other device, what you need to do is you have to just go to the Wi-Fi option here, and here you see right now I'm connected to Azure network. So here you will see the host Wi-Fi account. Just click on it and enter the password that you are type on that device, and it will be connected and you are good to go. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.